Hello friends, let's get to know what is SAP. SAP is one of the world's leading producers of software for the management of the business process, developing solutions that enable effective data processing and information flow across the organizations. It was founded in 1972. The company was initially called as System Analysis Program Development. Later, it was abbreviated to SAP. Since then, it has grown from a small 5% startup to a multinational enterprise with more than 1 lakh employees and over 440,000 customers in 180 countries. Its global headquarters is in Waldorf, Germany. With its original SAP R2 and SAP R3 software, SAP established the standard for the enterprise resource planning, which is also called as ERP software. SAP S/4HANA takes ERP to the next level by using the power of in-memory computing to process vast amount of data and support advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. The company's integrated applications connect all parts of the business into an intelligent suite on a digital platform. Today, SAP has more than 215 million cloud users and more than 100 solutions covering all business functions and the largest cloud portfolio of any provider. As of now, Christine Klein, who is 39, leads the company as CEO on the executive board of SAP SE and is the youngest CEO at a DAX enterprise. What does SAP stand for? What is the full form of SAP? The name is an acronym of a company's original German name, which is Systemanalyse Programmentwicklung, which translates to System Analysis Program Development. Today, the company's legal corporate name is SAP SE, and SE stands for Societas Europea, a public company registered in accordance with the European Union corporate law. How do you pronounce SAP? People often want to know how do you say SAP. Since it is an acronym, it is pronounced as individual letters SAP. SAP is not pronounced as the word SAP. What is SAP software used for? Traditional business models often involve decentralized data management, with each business function storing data about its operations in a separate database. This means that the employees from other business functions cannot access the information, and duplication of data across the multiple departments increase IT storage costs and the risk of data errors. By centralizing the data management, SAP software provides a single view of the truth that is used by multiple business functions. This helps companies better manage complex business scenarios involving different departments by giving employees access to the real-time insights across the enterprise. As a result, businesses can accelerate workflows, improve operational efficiency, raise productivity, enhance customer experience, and ultimately increase the profits. What is ERP software? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP software includes programs of all core business areas such as procurement, production, material management, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources. HR. SAP was one of the first companies to develop standard software for business solutions. How does ERP software work? With centralized ERP software, all employees make updates using the same data platform. They can also view data entered by other departments to complete tasks more efficiently. For example, when receiving a call about a potential order, a sales team can immediately see whether there is enough stock and can quickly confirm the sale, providing efficient customer service. Once the order is placed, the ERP system automatically triggers a billing process in the finance department. It also automatically updates inventory information in real time. Based on the inventory levels, a production planning team can schedule the manufacture of new products so they can fulfill the order, with HR getting an immediate update on any additional resources that are required for this activity. Using the same inventory information, a procurement team can see if there are enough raw materials in stock to complete the planned manufacturing activity. If not, they can then source the materials in a timely manner. By integrating processes across different business functions in this way, each team is updated about upcoming requirements as soon as possible, resulting in more efficient business processes and increased customer satisfaction. Was SAP a startup? SAP began with a small group of friends who had a big idea, a vision of a digitally and connected enterprise. Dietmar Hopp, Klaus Tschira, Hans-Werner Hector, Hasso Plattner, and Klaus Wellenreuther started the company as a private partnership in 1972 and launched the first commercial product a year later. Since then, it has grown steadily to become one of the world's largest companies by expanding its market and acquisitions worldwide, transforming from a small German startup company into a global leader in business software. However, it has never lost its pioneering spirit and ambition to create trailblazing solutions that change people's lives for the better. Its founders and employees worked closely with customers, often sitting side by side with employees in customers' offices to learn their business needs and processes. What does SAP do? SAP helps companies and organizations of all sizes and industries run their business profitably, adapt continuously, and grow sustainably. The company develops software solutions that are used by small businesses, mid-sized companies, and large corporations. With standard applications, industry solutions, platforms, and technologies, every business process can be mapped and designed. The software collects and processes data on one platform, from raw material purchasing to production and customer satisfaction. SAP solutions can be installed on-premise at the user's location or used from the cloud, helping companies analyze and efficiently design the entire value chain. SAP solutions can also be used to create forecasts, such as when a machine needs to be repaired or how revenue will develop in the next half year. In addition, SAP helps customers seamlessly link operational data on business processes with experience data on emotional factors such as purchase experience and the customer feedback. This enables companies to better understand and respond to their customers. What solutions are available? SAP offers solutions across a wide range of areas: ERP and finance, CRM and customer experience, network and spend management, digital supply chain, experience management, business technology platform, digital transformation, small and mid-size enterprises, industry solutions.